Security firm King Alarm is on the defensive following a controversial fatal shooting incident involving one of its guards. It happened on Wednesday night on Brentford Road in St. Andrew. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the details.
Midway into a 48-second surveillance video, an interaction between three young men and individuals in a King Alarm vehicle. The interaction went on for approximately 7 seconds before one of the men ran off and another, while lifting his shirt as if to show the guards he was unarmed, was shot by someone in the vehicle. Seconds later, an armed guard in the passenger seat emerged with weapons, firing at the young man who earlier fled the scene. A third man went out of view of the camera while his friend was being shot at. That third person was later held and handed over to the police. The man who was shot by the guard was pronounced dead at hospital. The release from King Alarm says an imitation firearm was taken from the dead man and handed to the police. The statement from King Alarm reads in part, "The preliminary report suggests that the fatal shooting was unfortunate and tragic but justifiable." It also says on the night of the incident, it was the three men who stopped and engaged the guards in a conversation. The statement says one of the men ran unexpectedly while another lifted his shirt as if to show he did not have a firearm. Simultaneously and without warning, the same man reached with his left hand for what appeared to be a firearm concealed to the back left hand side of his waistband. It also says they're investigating the circumstances under which the other guard fired his weapon in the direction of what appeared to have been fleeing suspects. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.